The journey begins. Spicy molecules enter.
Spicy foods get their heat mainly from a compound called capsaicin, found in chili peppers. When you take a bite, capsaicin travels through your mouth and down your esophagus. It's not a typical flavor. Your body reacts to it almost like it's pain. That's why your mouth burns, and you might feel a tingling sensation before swallowing.
Sparking signals. Your brain responds.
Once capsaicin hits specialized receptors in your mouth, it triggers nerve signals sent to your brain. These signals make you think your mouth is literally burning, even though there's no real heat. Your brain quickly responds by stimulating salivation, sweating, and sometimes even tears, as your body tries to defend itself.
Moving down, the stomach's challenge.
When capsaicin reaches your stomach, it can irritate the stomach lining in sensitive individuals. This may cause a burning sensation, mild discomfort, or even nausea. The stomach responds by releasing acid and digestive juices, trying to dilute or break down the capsaicin molecules for safer passage through your digestive tract.
Through the intestines, absorption and effects.
Most capsaicin isn't absorbed in the stomach. Instead, it moves into the intestines. Here, it can speed up the movement of food, sometimes resulting in the need to use the bathroom sooner. For most people, the intestines handle spiciness smoothly, but in high doses or for sensitive guts, it may provoke cramps or irritation.
The final exit. Why it still burns.
Capsaicin doesn't fully break down during digestion, so traces can make it all the way to the end of your digestive tract. This explains why some people experience a burning sensation during a bowel movement after eating very spicy food. It's a reminder of how the unique chemistry of capsaicin interacts with your body, start to finish.